She can make now skate shoes.
Huh?
Yes.
But you said I wasn't allowed.
In the morning. But now we don't plan to come here, that's why.
I was gonna come in the morning, but we were late.
Ah,
I hope it was hot.
yeah. We are here in the wood.
Down also, see the road.
Yeah. We are planning this one also, but yeah, we said next week. No. We're going chalet. Yeah.
Which one?
I don't know what
Next
is.
same Switzerland?
Maybe. Okay, Shuwaik Waterfront. It's beautiful here. Look at that, too much people. Here, there's playground there inside. Oh, you can play. See? I think this one is
Before?
first time.
Oh,
This
because,
is new one, this is new, just now they opened.
because I remember.
There's a bathroom. This one, malaking ano dito oh, na pwedeng dasalan, banyo. Ito. What?
Take it out. Yeah, let's go.
Because the clothes fall.
Mommy will wear it.
And I clip it on the clothes.
Yalla, mommy will wear this one. Yalla, go play.
Ang lawak. You go play alone. No, just go make friend there.
Only, it's for children. Come on, we are watching here. Come on. We are watching here. Come on.
Tapos may banyo doon. Pwede mag-banyo.
Go play.
If you don't want to, we can go. Okay.
Okay, you stay there.
Okay.
Okay?
And then, yeah, so later we can go walk. Ang ganda dito. Hello mga mamshis. Hello, dito kang Shuwaik Waterfront. Ang ganda, ang laki. Dito playground ng mga bata. Tapos kung upo tayo doon, banda, doon. Tapos dito, oh, may malapit CR. Kung sino gusto din magdasal, pwede mag-CR. Parang ang linis-linis ata ng CR dito. Kaya maganda dito, Tanbayan. Malawak pa rin, mamaya. Mag-tour tayo mamaya. Lakarin natin doon. Doon sa kabila din, lakad. Nag-ihi pa yung isa. Nag-CR pa. Kaya, hello. Good evening. Wala sa plano. Wala sa plano. Nagpunta lang kami sa Shuwaik. Sa ano pala yun? Doon sa construction site kanina. Nya, opo-opo. Katapos, na-board. Sabi ni asawa, punta daw kami dito. Kaya ayun, nandito kami. Wala sa plano. Kaya, bisita lang. As in, ang ganda talaga. Ganda din ng weather. Oh,
There's nothing.
anong there's nothing?
Because everything is full.
There. Of course, you have to wait. Or else, when daddy come, we just go walk around there, okay? We just have to see there and then see the other side, like that.
You going to play?
She said it's all full. I
Okay,
said,
let's go play. That one is not full. Come on.
I said, how about we just go walk for now, so we can see what's in there and
Come on,
there.
let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's look around here.
We have to look around there. So, we can visit next time. Hello, Ate Sinya. Kumusta po?
Maybe it's gonna get good. And then later daytime, you're gonna come here.
Yeah. It's good here because they have a bathroom.
Yeah.
It's clean, the bathroom.
The next
Because
side is clean.
last night they're in the Salwa. The bathroom, but very far, and then 9 o'clock close already. So what we do is just go inside the well. I have this Rustin, we make tea there.
Car?
Yeah. We just move the chair in the front and we go. We are 3 weeks tea there.
That's the basketball.
Yeah.
This one from school. Bicycle.
Yeah, scooter, ski shoes. You can. There is the beach side here. So beautiful. The weather is so beautiful as in.
It's good also for people who want to walk. It's a very long walkway.
Yeah, I think this one for walkway, you know, by somebody want to.
Actually for no, this one is for motorcycle. Like for scooter.
No, you can use also 300 meter. So you know that you walk 300 meter already. Like that. This one is for walk.
I wanna eat.
The one inside is.
I wanna eat.
Oh, you want to eat? When we go home, we will buy.
Buy what?
I don't know what you want.
McDonald's?
Okay.
We just need to explore, see what's going on.
Okay.
Yeah. So next time when we come back, we know that this is beautiful place to come and visit.
Wait, can I take photo?
You take photo? Why? It's high tide. I know, not really high tide. High tide will be rich. Yeah.
I like high tide.
Mayroon pa doon more sa other side kasi sa gitna yung playground ng mga bata tapos banyo.
Come on, look at me, let's mix up.
Look at daddy, you can mix it later. Just mix.
And then me.
Yeah, let me make for us.
Daddy don't see.
Yeah. It's good.
Okay. Kahit dito tayo banda din uupo, malapit lang din ang CR doon.
Live or what?
Yes.
Light.
Lawa. Doon banda kay puno na doon sa other side. Yeah, I think that's the end. I'm going like this. So
Let's go the other side and see.
we have to pass here, so because already here. So we go like this. To the other side. So if you want to walk, you have to go low over to the around.
Is my makeup still on? It's still on. It's a stain. My makeup, my lipstick is staining.
Staining. What is staining?
It's stain. Stain. It's like a dirty that stays forever. But sometimes a stain is like just juice or a lipstick on your clothes. And then this one, they say there's like a lipstick you put on, and then there's a lipstick you put on your lips, and then you peel it off,
Daddy, here, Daddy.
and then it stains.
Kasi, ang laki ng pwede mo pa upuan doon, oh. More grass. You can sit here also. You can sit everywhere. Around there. Pero ang empty pa dito. Then have basketball court. Well, kahit dito opo dyan, ang CR nandoon. Yan, CR, ang lapit lang. Manlinis-linis ng CR. Tapos dyan pwede opo. Basketball. Basketball court.
I was showing off my money. Look.
Stop that one because you have look around.
Wait.
So you can relax your eyes. Stop that one.
And then.
Laruan playground. Ito yung CR. Malaki. Speed bathroom. I think from there and then go there in the car. Yeah.
The majority is
Huh?
Indian and
Yeah?
Philippines.
The Philippines didn't know yet. Alin? Oh. Yeah.
People want to go out. Places are
Yeah, that's right.
Photo!
And this one is the other side. Here. Pwede din makaupo dito banda.
Why is my hair flying everywhere?
Because kinda windy.
Yeah, but I tied my hair and it's going everywhere.
So, here 150 meter. So,
So the beginning is over there.
yeah, that's the beginning
Where I
then.
wanted to stop the first time.
Huh?
The entrance I wanted to go the first time, that's the beginning.
Ah, okay.
But the main attraction is here.
Yeah.
It is
At least there is good because you're more closer than the one if you stop the other side there.
Yeah, and it's big also.
Yeah,
A lot of people.
yeah. If it's winter time as in,
Yeah,
this
the
one is
weather
will be
nice.
full.
Yeah, the weather will be nice also.
For now, it's not full.
No, yesterday was full.
Yesterday?
Friday, Thursday and Friday it was full.
Oh,
Full. So crowded.
how you know?
Because I see in the TikTok.
Oh,
It was packed. Too much people. Because Indian, they offer stuff.
ah, yeah.
See, it's for bikes.
No, for bicycle bicycle there you can make it there like especially that one there you have to go there inside there. So this one is 50 meter.
How many people are watching your live?
Now 0. Before 4.
Well, sometimes your live is like kind of boring, and a lot of lives that are completely different, and the ones that you call crap they have millions of views even if it's live.
Uh-huh.
I don't know why.
So, what is this? This is a activity park.
Activity park.
Parking, beach, canopies, waterfront, garden, the plaza. And this is the start. This is the start going there. Huh?
I want to see the plaza.
That's the plaza there, the one have playground. This one is start that one, this one, that one. Until there, the playground and the other side for Hadika.
What is that?
Bye bye everyone.